So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for the name of the app. So when you find it, what you have to do is to tap on it for some while, then you tap on app info, and you're going to be in app info. So what you have to do over here is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction. Make sure the background data is still good on. Now go back and tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is also on. So now go back, tap on permission and make sure the location is allowed. Now tap on storage and cache, then you clear the cache. Then after that you go back, then you tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. And after doing this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again and try to search for your Play Store app. Now tap on it to open it. Tap on the search apps and try to search for 9news. When you find it, just tap on it. When you tap on it, you're going to see update over here. Tap on the updates. So when you don't have updates but you have open, just leave it like that and move on to your phone screen. And now what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while, tap on the restart button and tap on OK, and everything is going to be fixed. So if you can't find restarts and you find reboot, it's all the same thing. If you can't find boot, what you have to do is to just turn your phone off, then you turn it on, and all is going to fix the problem. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. See you in the next one.